Okay, good day. So now we will have a look at the forearm. We will have a look at the anterior compartment of the forearm first. Anterior compartment of the forearm first. Okay, we are going to have a look at the most medial muscle in the anterior compartment of forearm first, the superficial layer. So we're concentrating on the superficial layer of the anterior compartment of the forearm first. The most medial muscle in the superficial layer is the flexor carpi ulnaris. This is the flexor carpi ulnaris. Okay, lateral to that, you'll find there's the palmaris longus. Palmaris longus. You can see palmaris longus has a long tendon and distal attachment to the flexor retinaculum. Okay. Sorry, lateral to the flexor carpi ulnaris is the palmaris longus, and lateral to the palmaris longus is the flexor carpi radialis. Flexor carpi radialis. Okay, flexor carpi radialis lateral to the palmaris longus. Okay, and lateral to the flexor carpi radialis, here you can see pronator teres. The most lateral muscle in the superficial layer of anterior compartment of forearm, pronator teres. And you can see the common flexor origin, medial epicondyle of humerus. Okay, here you can see, okay, this is flexor carpi ulnaris muscle just now. Lateral to that you can see a nerve. This is ulnar nerve, and lateral to that is the ulnar artery. Okay, now let's have a look at this artery here. Can you see this artery? So this is the thumb, so you know that this is laterally. Okay, this artery, it is lateral to the flexor carpi radialis tendon. This is tendon of flexor carpi radialis muscle. So this artery is the radial artery. Okay, now let us remove the muscles in the superficial layer of the anterior compartment of forearm. So we have removed the palmaris longus, flexor carpi radialis, and pronator teres. So now we can see the intermediate layer of the anterior compartment of the forearm. So in the intermediate layer, there's only one muscle, the flexor digitorum superficialis. This is flexor digitorum superficialis. So if we remove the flexor digitorum superficialis, okay, we can see there are several nerves and arteries beneath it, because in between the intermediate layer and the deep layer of the anterior compartment of forearm, it is the neurovascular plane where you can see the nerves and blood vessels. Okay. Again, let's have a look at the nerves and arteries. Okay, the most medial one here is the ulnar nerve, and then there's the ulnar artery. Okay, this is the median nerve, and this is the radial artery. Most lateral structure here, most lateral artery is the radial artery. Now let's have a look at the muscle, the medial muscle in the deep layer here. It is the flexor digitorum profundus. This is flexor digitorum profundus. Laterally here, you'll find the flexor pollicis longus. Flexor pollicis longus. Its tendon will go to the thumb. Flexor pollicis longus. Okay, pronator quadratus, you cannot see it because it is deep to the flexor digitorum profundus and flexor pollicis longus. Okay, so these are the muscles in the anterior compartment of the forearm. Now let's have a look at the posterior compartment of the forearm. Okay, in the posterior compartment of forearm, okay, the most lateral muscle in the posterior compartment of forearm, you can see it anteriorly. You can see it anteriorly, and it is the, here is the muscle, it is the radialis. You can see it anteriorly even though it is from the posterior compartment of forearm. This is the brachioradialis, the most lateral muscle in the superficial layer of the posterior compartment of the forearm. You can see thumb, this is lateral. So now let's go posteriorly and have a look at the posterior compartment of the forearm. So the most lateral muscle in the superficial layer of posterior compartment of forearm, I've mentioned just now, this is the brachioradialis, the most lateral one, brachioradialis. And then there's the extensor carpi radialis longus. Medial to that is the extensor carpi radialis brevis. And then medial to that, it is the extensor digitorum. Medial to the extensor digitorum is the extensor digiti minimi, a small muscle medial to the extensor digitorum. You can see the proximal part of the extensor digiti minimi, it merges with the extensor digitorum. And the most medial muscle in the posterior compartment of forearm, the superficial layer, it is the extensor carpi ulnaris. Extensor carpi ulnaris. You can see adjacent to the extensor carpi ulnaris here, it is the flexor carpi ulnaris. Flexor carpi ulnaris muscle of the anterior compartment of forearm, it is adjacent to the extensor carpi ulnaris of the posterior compartment of the forearm. Okay, now let's remove, or before that, let's have a look at the muscles here. This muscle here, you can see small part of this muscle here, you can see it is in between the, this is the extensor carpi radialis brevis, and this is the extensor digitorum. In between the extensor carpi radialis brevis and the extensor digitorum, you can see three muscles in between these two muscles. The three muscles here, they are the outcropping muscles. The most lateral one is the abductor pollicis longus, and then medial to that is the extensor pollicis brevis. Medial to that is the extensor pollicis longus. You can only see the tendon, extensor pollicis longus. You can only see the tendon. Tendon goes towards the thumb. Okay. So these three are the outcropping muscles that is from the deep layer of the posterior compartment of the forearm. Now let's remove this brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus and extensor carpi radialis brevis. We can see when we remove brachioradialis muscle, you can see this muscle. And this is supinator muscle, one of the muscle in the deep layer. One of the muscle in the deep layer of posterior compartment of forearm, and you can see it is pierced by this nerve. This nerve is the deep branch of the radial nerve. Deep branch of radial nerve. If you can remember, supinator is the floor of the cubital fossa. Okay, the other muscles in the deep layer, you cannot see it in this model. Okay, so that's all for the posterior compartment of the forearm. Thank you.